show coming up in Japan next week, and we're gonna learn our new song today, so that's gonna be fun. I need a lot of time to kind of figure out what went on 8 months ago on tour. My mind's about to explode. You watch my step. Okay, special thing about this time in Japan is that we're putting out our first original Japanese song called Cowboy. Choreography is very, very hard, but it's very, very fun. Our unofficial team leader dance made the choreo with one of her friends. She's the dancer in Luna's episode, the one that's crazy. Work, be crazy. Yeah, we all crazy. To be honest, when I learn new choreo and I perform it for the first time, no matter how many times I practice it, I still get really, really nervous. It's the bad nervous. Okay, back to practice. I am pretty sure that a lot of, not only our fans, a lot of SM fans, a lot of other fans all know the iconic Cloud. I've been coming to this room for the past 8 years. Yeah, every time I come back, it's just like my training day is just like, wow, flash. We're in our 8th year of FX. It's been a crazy ride, and it's gonna just get crazier and crazier, which is I'm very looking forward to. We are doing, I think, 30 something songs. A lot of them are medleys, a lot of choreography. Like even my dancers were like, oh my gosh, we have to do 20 plus songs in choreography. Blast from the past with doing like La Cha Ta and songs like Gangster Boy, which was on our first album. My favorite choreo of all time out of the FX discography, Step. That song is just fun, weird, footstep, square dancing, and you have to just like walk like this. But this one's like, it's like confusing in itself. I think the most confusing one was probably Rum Pum Pum Pum. A lot of our choreos change over time, like before it's out. Rum Pum 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 has the most confusing ones because they were all very similar. I still get the old version and the new version mixed up. I think the most physically demanding choreo, I think would probably have to be Cash Me Out. I'm in Japan. I'm sleepy. And we're at practice. I'm okay. I'm squeaky clean. Yay! Oh my gosh. Did rehearsal today. Tomorrow as well, we're gonna actually do the actual arena stage rehearsal. Everybody's just like, wow. Oh, but yeah, seriously, it's kind of sad this time around because this is the Koreans call it encore. In English, you say encore. So this is our encore concert of the Dimension 4 docking stations. It's, you know, it's like wrapping it up, and I'm still hungry for, you know, more. I want to do more shows. I want to tour around more. It's been a great experience. Miu's out there, everybody who's been wanting to see our shows. Guys waited 7 years for us to have our first show. Me and my members like extremely grateful for waiting and being very patient, and we want to do the best we can in all this. I hope that whatever we put out next or whatever show we have, you know, somewhere else, we'll just have a lot of opportunities to see the fans and just play and have cool, fun time. Because that's what concerts are about, right? Go crazy. Llama very tired. Llama sleepy time. Good night. My hair is purple. My hair is purple. My hair is purple. See, look, my thing goes like red, and then, oh, okay, well, I don't think you can see on the, okay, there's green, green, red, green, red, green, red, green, red,
Green, red, green, red, green,
red. Yeah, that's our opening outfit. And my hair's gonna be purple the whole time. And I'll have purple sweat. Great! Going to an interview, being my cheeky. Look at Victoria, she's so pretty. Yes, work it. I love it. Work it.
I love it.
Yeah, work it, Victoria. It's 10 minutes before the show. There's people everywhere. People everywhere. Hi, Crystal. Bye, Crystal. We are walking. We're on the move, and then we all have our own like personal stylist. This is mine because when we go in, we have to run and change everything and really, really fast. Yes, my hair is purple. It's not gray. It's not blue. It is purple. Periwinkle. Is Kimura-san?
Hi.
I hate him. Kirai desu.
僕は好きです。
Hi. And it's Kiju-san. 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 Okay, we're gonna go in now. Let's do this. This is Hyojung 언니. Yeah, Hyojung 언니. Yujin 언니. Unyop oppa. He is Clav. Sona 언니. Shui 언니. Crazy 언니. Crazy 언니, go. She choreographed Cowboy this time. You're the best.
Ah, I'm best.
And you're crazy. And this is Minju. She's my friend. 어떠냐?
항상 했던 것들 되게.
She's very like, you know, like, huh. This is Hyuna 언니. We all have like our own little sections. So this is where they have the umbrellas for Binguru. This is for the school section where we like go to school, where it's like stuff. There's ice cream, a telescope thingy, and big pencils and erasers. After 7 years, still nervous, like always. It's starting, let's go, let's go, let's go. We're old. 무지개도. 저 바다도.
두 번째 향기가지인가? 이
바람.
바람도 향기가지. 네 목소리 그리고 뭐지? 네 몸모. 네 붐가지.
Who wants an FX towel? My hair is purple. This is purple. My life is purple. We're done. Luna cried. Yeah, Luna cried. Luna, your baby cried. Luna cried. 민주, 애선아 씨 수고하셨습니다. 어떻게 잘못했다. 김유상 오시감이 소리냈다. 수고하셨습니다. 니네 수고하셨습니다. 수고하셨습니다. 어떻게 잘못했다. 어떻게 잘못했다. Okay, so back in Korea, it's been really, really crazy. Got off the plane from the States and then went straight to practice, then got back on a plane to Japan. I just want to thank everybody that came out to the concert. I want to thank all the staff and all the crew, my members, my managers, everybody for being part of this great concert. I want to do more. I want to do more. There will be more, right? Yes. Hopefully, yes. But thank you guys so much. I'm always the most happiest when I'm performing. Hope to see you guys again soon. Ranting Monkey out. Rah!